Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here in the range tonight doing a little bit of shooting. Just testing out a couple of new pellet rifles that I've just added to the channel recently. The first one that we're going to be doing a video on tonight is my Winchester model 425. This one's chambered in .22 caliber. And pretty nice shooter. I did do a little bit of zeroing with it before I started up the video. But I'm only shooting here 16, 17 yards. I just paced off 16 paces, so my paces are a yard or a little bit more. So we're just going to do a little bit of raw testing here with this guy tonight. See how she does. I stuck a little Simmons 4x32 up on here. This one is rated as an air rifle scope, so hopefully it'll be able to stand up to the rigors of a Springer. But the other one that I'm going to be shooting in another video is another one that you guys have seen. This is my Benjamin 397 PA, and I actually just got done this evening, just before I came out here, resealing that one, and I've only shot a handful of shots out of it just to make sure it pumps and holds air. So, but let's go ahead and shoot some. I'm going to start off with got some of these Rifle Premium Series, and these are a pretty heavy 16.82 grain pellet, wide cutter profile. We'll see how she does. I actually zeroed it with the Crosman 14.3 round nose, so kind of expect it might shoot a little bit lower. Got a little bit of diesel smoke still happening from the oil I put in to lubricate the seal. It's a fine little gun. Tended to be a youth gun. Pretty small little guy. Ooh. Almost the same hole. Haven't done anything to this mechanically yet to try to tune it up or anything like that. I just did a real quick cleanup and conservation on it. Had a few rust spots, and the stock was in pretty tough shape. Put some Howard's Restore finish on it, and it really cleaned it up nice. It was a little lower than the last one. I have to buy me a new stick in the ground target stand. I don't know what happened to mine. It was in the back of my truck. I cleaned it out for a barbecue we had a couple weeks ago, and now I can't find it. Alright, that's not too bad a looking group. Like I said, I haven't done anything to tune this guy up yet or check the condition of the piston head. That may need to be replaced. It is shooting pretty good. It was clocking about 450, between 450 and 480. Alright. I'll take that. Probably about a 3/4 inch group. So let's try something different here. Got some of these Norma. They're Golden Trophy FT. These are a little bit lighter. These are a 15.9 grain. And these are a domed, domed round point pellet. A little bit different profile. Got these from Cal over at Fort Vancouver Trading. Look up his channel on eBay. Got some really good prices on his pellets and other airgun stuff. Where did that hit? I think I see it This is why I like the wad cutters. They make holes in the target. But I think I see it's just on the right. It's got a really nice trigger, 1 pound 4 ounce average trigger pull. Really nice crisp break. So you can adjust these for the amount of first stage pull that you would have, and this one's adjusted almost no first stage pull at all. All right, looks like maybe about an inch, just a smidge over an inch group, but held a nice tight pattern there. So I think with a little bit of tuning, get the spring twang out of there, and just play around with the internals a little bit on this one. This one will probably be shooting just as good as some of those other like feinwerkbau maybe, and maybe it won't. This is a sport model, and it's a youth model, so it's got a much shorter barrel, and it's got a much shorter piston too. So I think that's probably partially why it's limited in power compared to some of the other ones. The Winchester 435, the air tube is probably 2 inches longer. The barrel is probably 1.5 inches longer. The whole gun this one just looks so tiny right next to it, but it's a fun shooter. This thing would be great for plinking cans and things like that, and probably dispatching, you know, rabid animals out in the backyard. But anyway, great addition to the channel. Winchester model 425. I want to call it 435 because that's what the other one I have at home. But great little shooter. Anyway, hope you liked the video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell and you'll be notified when I do post up new videos. Till next time, have a great day.